In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Apple Store purchase history. This can be incredibly useful for keeping track of your expenses, ensuring all your transactions are secure, and double checking any charges that may have appeared unexpectedly on your account. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up the Settings app on your Apple device. You'll recognize it from its iconic gray gear icon. This is the central hub where you can manage your device's preferences, from your Wi-Fi networks to your notification settings. Once you're in, you're going to look towards the top of the screen for your name, right there at the beginning of the settings menu. Tapping on your name will take you into your Apple ID details. It's here you can find important information about your personal account, including iCloud, subscriptions, and more. It's a secure place where Apple collates all personal and account-related data for you to manage. Once you've tapped into this area, it's time to move on to the next step. Next, find and click on Media and Purchases. This section acts as the gateway to your entire Apple shopping and entertainment empire, encompassing everything from apps to music, movies, and subscriptions that you've acquired through any of Apple's services. After that, you're going to see an option that says View Account. You'll want to click on this to access more detailed information about your transaction history. This is an important step because it confirms your access to view more private and detailed information related to your account as well as your purchase history. Once you've accessed your account details, scroll down until you come across Purchase History. Clicking on this will bring up a comprehensive list of every transaction ever made on your Apple ID. This history includes the date of purchase, the amount spent, and the product or service acquired. It's sorted by most recent purchases first, making it easy for you to find anything you might be looking for. And there you have it, your entire Apple Store purchase history laid out for you to review. Checking this history regularly is a good habit to ensure all purchases are legitimate and no unauthorized charges have occurred. That's it for today's video on how to view your Apple Store purchase history. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful how-to guides and tips on getting the most out of your Apple devices. Thanks for watching and have a great day.